Hello children, in this lecture we'll be revising a bit and see that you watch this lecture and the previous one carefully. That will help you for your exams, okay, for the preparation of your exams. Let us see, here this is the basic structure actually, like we did the last time. You can see here, HTML starts here, head here, then we start with the body tag here, okay, I hope you can see, right, we start with the body tag and then it continues over till here and then we end the body tag and the HTML tag, okay, like so. Alright, let's discuss only the basic and the important aspects so that you should be able to do the exercises. Alright, here we are. Here we start from the HTML tag. In HTML there are two parts, one is the head section, one is the body section, okay. And inside the head section here we have the title. This title is just displayed on your title tag here, on the title bar. Okay, you can see here it's written this is the title. So from where do you get this is the title? It is written here, that's why. Okay. Similarly, inside the body tag, you try to understand this thing. We are having link, v link, and a link. Okay, link is just a normal link. You might have seen. See, I'm telling you. See here. This go to Google. See this hand kind of symbol. See the pointer cursor now, and when you go to Google, you have this hand kind of symbol. This means that this is a hyperlink. Okay, that means it will take you somewhere. Similarly, we have visited link. Visited link means once you click on that and you don't leave the mouse button, then you will get a red color. Okay. You can see in link we are getting a blue color here. See this? All these three links go to Google, go to ABC file. These all are blue in color. Why they are blue? Because they are just now normal links. Okay. When you click on them and you don't leave your mouse pointer, you'll get a red color. A link means uh, visited link means once you have clicked, it is changing the color. So your active link default color is red, and for your visited link, your default color is purple. Okay. You leave the mouse button after clicking on the link, that converts it into a visited link. Okay. All right. So we are telling here that the link is blue, and the color of the active link should be red, color of the V link should be purple. And let me tell you that these are the default colors. Even if I don't write these, then also these will be the colors. Okay, then you can see the color of this page, children. Whatever is written on this page is red in color, okay, except these two lines and except these three lines. Okay, now I'll be telling you why. See, there is a tag by the name base font. You can see it here, base font tag. Base font means that if you want a normal color, you want to fix a color, you want to fix a face or the name of a font, for example, Badana here, and you want to fix the size of the font to be written on the whole HTML page. Okay, just once you decide that I'll be using this, and you should continue doing this for the whole page. Okay, then we write base font here. But now we are having HTML5 these days, which is the latest version of HTML language, right? So the base font is deprecated. Deprecated means that they are not being followed now. Okay. Now base font will stop working from now on, but just because it's there in the syllabus, I'm discussing it with you. Base font means that you want to decide the color of the font, you want to decide the font name, for example, Badana, then you want to fix the size, then you can use this base font tag. Alright, now since this base font tag won't work, alright, that's why I have written here text is equal to red. Can you see here? Text is red also does the same thing. You can see everywhere you have the color red. Okay, just take a look at the color, right? Color is red except these links here down and these two lines over here. Everything is in red, okay? This is happening because of this text is equal to red here, okay? Fine, let's move on. You can see a pattern, children, here. This one, a pattern, Okay, see the way I have written A, then I've left a space, then A here, again I've left a space and written A, then I move it backwards, okay? And I want that whatever I write here, the same thing should be shown here on the web page as well. Otherwise, this kind of a pattern, if you have to make, it is quite difficult, okay? You cannot do this. So I want the same pattern as written over there. Then what should I do? I should write it here within the pre tag. Pre, in fact, means it is a pre-formatted text. Okay, let me write it here for you. Pre-formatted text. This is the meaning of this pre tag. Okay, now this pre-formatted text, I don't want that it should appear here. See, I don't want to write pre-formatted text here, right? So what I can do, since this is for my own help, I can convert it into a comment. See the color change over here, children? Right? So I have converted into a comment. So this is also in your syllabus, how to convert the text into a comment. So this is the way you can convert it into a comment. You start with this angle bracket, then write exclamation mark, then write two hyphens, and after writing your text whatever, you again finish it backwards like two hyphens and a greater than sign. Okay, so this green color indicates that this is a comment now. And what is the use of comment? This is just for us. It won't be displayed on the web page. All right, children. So let's move on. So this is pre. Pre tag. Pre stands for pre-formatted text. I hope you will remember. Okay. Then you have a bold tag. Bold tag means that the line or the font will be a little bit thicker. See, this is bold, this is italics, and this down here is underlined text. Okay, so underline, you can write it like this: you start and you end. I start and I end. It will be italics. Okay, then you want to write the ampersand sign. See here, how to write ampersand sign? This is the way, and amp. Okay. Similarly, if you want to write a greater than sign, you can write and gt. Okay. With and gt, you can get this thing. All right. All right. That is a greater than sign. If you want to write a less than sign, you write and lt. Okay. Now, you can see, children, that here we have written text is equal to red. So that means every text written here on this thing, on this web page, will be in red color. But I want to change the color of just two lines. So then what to do? I can make use of the font tag here. See the font tag here, children? Font. The attributes are same. Face. Wherever I write face, face means that I have to write the name of the text, name of the font. So Arial is the name of the font. Color is equal to blue means I want to write it in a blue color like so. Okay. Then size is equal to 13. You can see that the base font size was how much? 9 here. Okay, but now I want to write it bigger. So I'll be writing size is equal to 13, but just for these two lines. Okay, do remember. So these two lines are a little bit different. Why? Because I have used the font tag here. Here. Okay. I hope you have followed, children. Then we have the break tag. Now, then I want to discuss about the list. Okay, see here, A, B, C, D, right? Now, this is an ordered list, right? Even if I write only the ordered list, just like so, then also it will be same, all right? But imagine I want to make some changes. Like for example, here it is A, B, C, D, right? Its default value of the type attribute is 1. Even if you don't write, it will take 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me show you here. See here. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the default type for this. Pencil, eraser, pen, sharpener. See this 1, 2, 3, 4 along with that. Now there are 5 attributes. Okay. Let me write it for you. For 1, 2, 3, 4, you write or you don't write, doesn't matter. Similarly, if you write lowercase a, you can get lowercase a, b, c, d. See that? Lowercase a, b, c, d here. Similarly, if you want to write capital A, it will be capital A, B, C, D, like so. Similarly, if you want to write lowercase I, that is Romans first, second, third, fourth, then you can write like so. See here. Similarly, you can write capital I there. It will show it like so in capitals. Okay. Now, if you want to start it from 10, suppose, then you can write it like so. Start is equal to 10. Generally, it starts from 1. See here, 10, 11, 12, 13. Can you see this, children? Here. Then I have the unordered list. Unordered list is just like the bulleted list in your Microsoft Word document, okay? Disk is the default numbering style. Sorry, not the numbering style. The display style of this is disk. You can see a circle, a filled circle. A filled circle is known as a disk, okay? Then we have square and circle. Square, see, a square. This is a square, okay? And a circle. Okay, see, this is a circle. A circle is not filled, like disk is filled, right? Then I have, see the way I have written water, H2O, and X square Y. In H2O, see the level of this 2, it is a little bit down than H and O, okay? And in X square Y, it is a little bit written up than the normal style, okay? Then see here, I want to write water, but I want to write 2 below the normal line of text. So I'll be writing subscript. See here, subscript, SUB. So this sub is the tag which drops the level of this, whatever is written inside this, a little bit down than the normal level. Similarly, you want to write x square y, then you'll be writing x, y, and only for this 2 you'll be just lifting it up a little bit. So use SUP, that is superscript. Okay. So which tag is this? This is subscript tag. This is superscript tag. All right. Now let's move on to the anchor tags. Anchor tags, as you know, that we have to discuss about the link, the active link, and the visited link. See, these links are not used now. Okay, these are just fresh. But imagine I click, but I don't leave the mouse button. See what happens. I click, see it changes to red, children, right? And why it changes to red? I have still not left the mouse button. It changes to red because of this a link. There are three types of links. One is link, which is blue. Then I have active link, which is generally red. Then after clicking, it will turn into purple. All right, children. Let's go back. So this is a visited link now. Then let's go there. Go to ABC HTML file. I click here, but I don't leave. See, it changes to red. Then I leave it. See, it takes us to another file. So there are three types of links, children. One is that it takes you to the site. All right. When I click on Google, you see it doesn't take it to Google. Why? Because we have this name of the file written here. So let us change this a bit so that it takes us to Google. So let us write it fully, HTTPS and then colon and then double slash and then this, okay. Let's see now, is it working? And there we go. Okay, so when we write HTTP or HTTPS, it takes us to a URL. Alright, now if I want to open the file, I'll click here. You can see the color change, children. It is changed to purple now. Why? Because it is now V-link. V-link is visited link. You see here? I had written here link is equal to blue. This is for a normal link. Then active link should be red. That means when I click the mouse and I don't leave the mouse button, then it will be red. But when I leave the mouse button, it will change to purple. That is visited link. V is visited link. A is active link. Normal link is just link. Okay? Fine. Now I want to open a file. I told you there are three types of links. One is if you have to go to a web page. Next is you have to go or open a particular file. Third is you have to open a painting or some JPG file. Okay, I click on this and you see I get a painting file, right? Is it clear, children? See that you do this exercise. You can stop the video anywhere and do practice of it. This is the coding file. You can again pause it and take a look at it carefully. Okay, ordered list and unordered list is here. Then we have superscript and the subscript tags here. Here we have the anchor tags or the links here. Okay. Children, do practice this because your final exam, sorry, this first term exam will be MCQ based, okay? And whatever we'll be asking there will be from your book, of course, but from the videos mostly, okay? So do see that you watch the videos carefully, all right?